New bike. First off, a rant about the prick I bought it from. Rob, Irish, Bridgwater, Somerset. I said to him that I only wanted the bike if it did not have an alarm or immobiliser. There are two types of 2008 phasers, 1000cc. The European version that has an immobiliser as standard, the American version that does not. The immobilisers are known for destroying the ECUs on these over a certain mileage. He basically fucking lied to me about it. He also said everything's perfect on the bike. Had a quick look at the back tyre when I got home today. It's been plugged, at least once. So, yeah, what a cunt. Now, my Bandit, when I sold it, it was plugged, but I told the guy at least 6 times on camera that a back tyre had been plugged. Because I've got a conscience. I'm not, how do you describe Rob Irish in Bridgwater? Oh, yeah, a cunt. He also made a point of having his boyfriend turn up with him, some fucking, like, I don't know, 20-year-old or something, to basically try and keep me cornered whilst he fucked off with the cash before I got a chance to actually look at the bike properly. That's what I noticed, the flashing lights on the dash from the immobiliser. Yeah, what a cunt.